koutou, ko Arlia ahau. I am Arlia.
In more Aotearoa Winton School, ko Talia ahau. I am Talia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ra'apa, the 16th of March.
You're looking good this morning.
Let's talk about that, koutou.
Kia ora to everybody who dressed up and is going bonkers for Bailey.
All money goes towards her recovery and helps a good cause for sure.
Okay, let's get into Tidy Class Awards for week 6. A pizza drum roll, please.
For room 1 and 6. Congratulations and keep up the good work, koutou. I can smell barbecue chicken pizza.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is awhina, which is te reo for help.
As in, Maku awhina. I will help you.
With my homework?
No, with your fashion. Ew.
Awhina, which is te reo for help.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is high from 12:30 until 3:30.
And your portai is needed from 10:30. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Year 5s to 8s are allowed over the road to play at intervals.
Make sure you cross Eglinton Street at the pedestrian crossing carefully.
Let's talk about that, koutou. There are 2 crossings, Clyde Street and Eglinton Street.
Both are managed after school by the Year 7 Road Patrol team. Use the crossings and follow the commands carefully.
Staff are supervising and you are to manage yourself safely across the road at the crossings, not halfway down Eglinton Street, koutou.
Touch news. Winton Wombles, you have a practice at playtime. Please meet at the library steps.
And Winton Warriors, please meet Chloe and Casey in the junior lunch area after you have finished your lunch. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
You're doing the wrong thing. It's down here.
Below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.